You guys give me all kinds of content. So this is a 2.4 liter multi-air engine. There is no oil on the dipstick. This thing cranks, but it does not start. It actually sounds like it has a broken timing chain, to be honest with you. It doesn't have a broken timing chain. This doesn't have an intake cam. This only has an exhaust cam. The exhaust cam actually has separate lobes on it that build pressure for the intake solenoids that are run on oil pressure, and then the computer fires the solenoids to use the intake valve. So if you literally run this out of oil, it will just die. It just won't run. So I mean, I guess that's a really weird safety of this engine, that it won't run. This thing has 32,000 miles on it. Don't look like it, but this thing only has 32,000 miles on it. Here, we'll crank it real quick. Now, I already put some oil in it, but we'll crank and listen to it, and I'll show you what it sounds like. Hear that? Built some oil pressure, and then all of a sudden here. Now it runs, literally, just because there's no oil in it. Guys, I can't stress it enough. You have to check your oil. This car has 32,000 miles on it and died because it has no oil in it. I don't care if you change it. I mean, I do, but at least check it. I mean, this got towed here. For a couple quarts of oil, you could have just drove it here. Check your oil, please, for the love of God. We do it for free. Just stop in and we'll check it for you.